Most people assume that nerve damage is something that only happens suddenly, after an injury, an accident, or a serious illness. But what if the real danger is much quieter than that? What if, right now, while you're sitting comfortably, your nerves are slowly weakening, your legs losing strength, not because of age alone, but because of what's missing from your daily diet? And here's something I want you to really think about. Have you ever noticed a slight tingling in your feet, a strange numbness, or maybe your legs don't feel as strong or steady as they used to? Be honest with yourself, and if you have, tell me in the comments below, because what you're about to hear might completely change the way you think about food, aging, and your body's ability to heal itself. As we grow older, our bodies don't just slow down randomly. There are reasons behind every change. Nerves, which act like the body's communication system, begin to lose efficiency over time. Messages from your brain to your legs don't travel as smoothly. Muscles don't respond as quickly. Balance becomes uncertain, and suddenly, simple things like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing for long periods feel different, sometimes even difficult. But here's the part that surprises many people. Research suggests that nutrition plays a far bigger role in nerve health than most realize. In fact, certain foods contain compounds that directly support nerve repair, improve circulation, and strengthen the muscles that keep you steady on your feet. And no, this isn't about miracle cures or unrealistic promises. This is about understanding how your body works and giving it the support it actually needs. Let's start with something simple, something many people already have in their kitchen but don't fully appreciate. There's a natural source of vitamin B12 that experts often highlight when discussing nerve health. This nutrient is essential for maintaining the protective layer around your nerves, known as the myelin sheath. When this layer weakens, signals become slower and less effective, leading to numbness, tingling, and weakness. Many older adults unknowingly become deficient in B12 because the body's ability to absorb it decreases with age. And that's where diet becomes crucial. Foods like eggs, fish, and dairy products can help replenish this vital nutrient. People who regularly include these in their meals often report better energy levels, improved coordination, and reduced sensations of numbness over time. Now think about your own diet for a moment. Are these foods a regular part of your routine? Or have they slowly disappeared without you even noticing? And this leads us to something even more interesting. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fatty fish like salmon, have been widely studied for their role in supporting brain and nerve function. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, which is one of the hidden contributors to nerve damage. When inflammation stays in the body for too long, it can quietly interfere with how nerves function. Over time, this can affect your mobility, your balance, and even your confidence while walking. But when people begin including omega-3 rich foods in their diet consistently, many notice subtle but meaningful improvements. Less stiffness, smoother movement, and a sense of stability that feels reassuring. It's not instant, and it's not dramatic, but it's real, and that's something worth paying attention to. Now, here's another detail that often gets overlooked. Leafy green vegetables, like spinach and kale, are packed with nutrients that support blood flow, and blood flow is critical for nerve health. Without proper circulation, nerves don't receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Over time, poor circulation can contribute to weakness in the legs, slower reflexes, and even that heavy feeling many people describe after standing or walking. But when circulation improves, something interesting happens. The body starts to feel more responsive. Movements become easier. There's a sense of lightness that wasn't there before. It's subtle, but once you notice it, you can't ignore it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your legs get tired faster than they used to, even without doing much? If so, your body might be trying to tell you something important. And then there's another food that often surprises people: nuts and seeds. They may seem small, almost insignificant, but they contain powerful nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E. These play a role in protecting nerves from damage and supporting muscle function. Magnesium, in particular, helps with muscle relaxation and coordination. Without enough of it, muscles can feel tight, weak, or unresponsive. And here's the interesting part. Many people don't realize they're low in magnesium until they start noticing symptoms like leg cramps, fatigue, or that strange, restless feeling at night. Adding a handful of nuts or seeds to your daily routine might seem like a small change, but over time it can make a noticeable difference. Now, let's pause for a moment and reflect. Everything we've talked about so far isn't about doing something extreme. It's about small, consistent choices that support your body's natural ability to repair and maintain itself. Because the truth is, your body is always trying to heal. It's always working behind the scenes. The question is, are you giving it what it needs? And this brings us to something even deeper. Leg strength isn't just about muscles. It's about communication. It's about how well your nerves send signals and how effectively your muscles respond. When that connection is strong, movement feels natural. When it weakens, everything feels harder. That's why certain foods that support both nerve function and muscle health can be so valuable, especially as we age. Foods rich in protein, for example, provide the building blocks your muscles need to stay strong. Combined with nutrients that support nerve health, they create a kind of synergy, a partnership inside your body that keeps you moving. And movement, as simple as it sounds, is everything. It's independence, it's confidence, it's the ability to live life on your own terms. Now imagine this: waking up in the morning, getting out of bed and feeling steady. Walking across the room without hesitation. Going outside without worrying about balance or weakness. For many people, that's not just physical, it's emotional, it's freedom. And while aging is natural, losing strength and stability doesn't have to happen as quickly or as severely as many believe. There are things you can do, starting today. Not by chasing complicated solutions, but by understanding what your body truly needs. And maybe that's the biggest takeaway here. Health isn't just about avoiding problems. It's about actively supporting your body in the right ways. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever made a change in your diet that improved how your body feels? Even something small? Share your experience in the comments, because your story might help someone else realize they're not alone. As we move forward, there's still more to uncover. More connections between what you eat and how your body responds. And once you start seeing these connections clearly, you begin to realize something powerful. You have more control than you think. And that realization alone can change everything. Because the journey to stronger legs, healthier nerves, and a more confident life doesn't begin with a single dramatic step.
It begins with awareness.
It begins with small choices, and it begins right here. So take a moment today, look at what's on your plate, and ask yourself, is this helping my body stay strong or slowly holding it back? Because once you start asking that question, you've already taken the first step towards something better. And if you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need to hear it, someone who's been struggling quietly, just like many others. Stay curious, stay aware, and most importantly, take care of your health, because it's the foundation of everything else in life. And if you want to keep learning, keep growing, and keep discovering ways to support your body as you age, don't forget to subscribe. There's so much more to explore, and your journey is just getting started.